Now I'm going to show you how to use the heating stage. So if you want to use the heating stage, if you have a sample you want to heat, you need to change the stage, of course, to have the heating stage on. So for that, you push again the arm at the back, you remove the sample, you remove this sample stage, you turn the objective to the lowest possible objective, you turn them down, push them down with the focus, and then you have to insert the heating stage. So the heating stage is at the back, it looks like that. That's the top part, that's the bottom part. It's a Peltier module, so there is water flowing in. So you just have to insert it by sliding it from the bottom, like this. And again, using the spring here, put the corner first and press it in, and then it's in. And then you can just place your sample on top of that and observe it. Then you need to, of course, turn the stage on. So you need first to turn on the water circulation. So you just need basically to plug this plug in and it will start. And then there might be air bubble going through the cable here in the water. So to remove most of the air bubbles, you press on this gray button multiple times. And that's actually just purging a bit the system, and so there is no more air and you will see no more air bubbles going through the system. If there are still a lot of air bubbles, it means that the water level may be too low and you need to ask someone to increase the water level, to add some more water in the tank. So then the water of the Peltier is circulating, you need to turn on the stage. So it's this Lincam stage with this. So you can set the temperature you want to use. So for that you go in here, you can set the temperature. So let's say we want to go to 60 degrees. You press enter. You can select how long do you want that for. Let's say 10 minutes. And then you can choose the heating rate, and then you just press start, and it will now heat at the heating rate for 10 minutes. Until it will reach 60, and then it will hold for 10 minutes. You can do more complicated heating ramps, so do a ramp to heat, a ramp to cool down, but that again, it depends what you want to do. And then when you're done, you just press, when you're done, you press stop. Just press stop. You turn that off, and then you unplug the water circulation, and you leave it like that. You also have to remove the heating stage, so you push the arm back, you remove your sample. Don't forget to go back again to the lowest objective, so that it's not touching the objective when you're removing it. Go at the bottom with the focus wheel and move the stage on the side, and then you just put it out, and again put it out, and leave it on the side. So now you know all about using the heating stage and how to program more complex heating ramps on the touchscreen module. Some general remarks to conclude. Remember to check that there is enough water in the water circulation bath, so you can see that by looking at air bubbles. You need to make sure that this is full so that the heating stage is working properly. Remember also to remove the heating stage when you're done with that, and be careful when you do so to avoid scratching the objective. And last thing, you should remember to write in the logbook. Thanks for watching and work safely.